Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. You've discovered Bri Budgets. Alrighty you guys, so for today's video, we're going to be doing another cash stuffing. This is going to be paycheck number 2 for the month of January. So happy new year for everyone. If you haven't checked out my first video of the year, paycheck number 1, definitely recommend doing that. That way you can kind of see where I'm starting at and go back into this video. But super excited to be back into budgeting all the time. It's just really great. My TikTok is just slowed down a little bit because I haven't been posting, but I'm back on there, so definitely recommend checking that out. Just have some more tips and other budgeting videos on there that, you know, are just short and sweet for TikTok, and Reels on Instagram as well, Bri Budgets. So yeah, definitely recommend that. But thank you guys for the support so far. It's been awesome. All right, so let's jump right on in. Alrighty guys, so I have my cash envelope. I already went to the bank, got all my money out. So let's go ahead and count it and make sure I've got the amount, which is $600. So we've got 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 585, 590, 591, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $600. So perfect. We'll go ahead and set this up and make it look nice and pretty. Got a lot of 20s this time. So since I did $550 last week, this week I have $600. So that's like 50 extra dollars. So I was able to up some of my sinking funds to $20 instead of 5s and 10s, which makes me kind of happy, you know? Actually very happy. As long as my bills are taken care of first, whatever's left over can go all through savings and sinking funds, which is really, really great to me. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alrighty guys, so this is my white binder, and this one holds all of my bills and other expenses. So we'll start with rent. So we're going to be adding $183, so I should have a total of $366 after adding that. Everyone comments on my marble envelopes, and it makes me so happy because like I made them myself. So when people notice that, it's just, you know, it's really nice. So thank you guys. But yeah, I made them all myself. I can do a tutorial on how I made my envelopes if you guys want. Just let me know in the comments. But yeah, so we're adding 183, 100, 50, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And we'll just go ahead and disperse this all out. Okay, so we should have a total of $366. So that's 1, 2, 253, 320, 340, 350, 360, 361, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Perfect. Ooh, I don't like that one. Okay, awesome. Okay, so car note's gonna be getting $63. So what I used to stuff in here, it used to be $75 because my total bill was around $300, but now I got it lowered down to $250. So I stuff $63 now, just about $250. So I refinanced it, needed to do that because child, the amount of money that I was just putting towards this car note that I didn't have to be putting, my interest rate was out the roof, okay? Out the roof, but it's all good because we are much better and booming now. So this is 50, 60, 61, 62, $63. So I should have 126. So that's 50, 100, 110, 120, 121, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I'm so glad I do this method. It just helps me to save. Like, as long as I have money for my bills, I'm good. Everything else, I used to spend it on like everything, but since I have like an actual place to allocate the funds to, it's like so much easier now. Alrighty, so for phone bill, same thing. I was actually able to get this a little bit lower, like literally like $5 or $10 or so. I'm gonna be adding $35 today. So we got 20, 30, 35. All right, so that's gonna be 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. Perfect. Okay, so for Discover, we're going to be skipping this. I haven't quite figured out what exactly I want to do with my credit cards, if I want to combine them in an envelope or what. But for now, just have them on my debt snowball envelope, just combined. And I haven't taken them out of here yet. I'm going to keep them just in case. But yeah, so we're going to skip to subscriptions. And subscriptions is going to be getting $5. So that's just going to leave me with 10. That one was pretty easy. Didn't have to really count that one. For gas, we're going to be adding $12 today. Again, it doesn't really take me much to fill my tank up. However, I still like to stuff and just have like some kind of money set aside just in case. So we've got 10, 11, 12, and that's going to put me at 24. So we got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24 for gas, and I need to get gas. But I already saved the money for this month last month, so I already have it in my bank account for what I can get gas with for this month. But this is all for next month, just to clarify that. For groceries, we're going to add $40. Again, this is just kind of rolling over with me because I haven't had the chance to go get groceries yet, because I've been trying to go through like canned goods and like things that I have in my pantry and whatever else like is left in my freezer. That way I can like get through all that stuff, and so I don't have to throw it away. Some stuff I might end up donating though, like canned goods that I haven't touched and won't touch. But yeah, this is gonna be for my next grocery trip, and it's a lot of money, so this will be great. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240. Perfect. And I add about $40 each week just in case. So that puts me at like $160 a month, which is actually not bad for me. It's really just myself that I buy groceries for, so nothing really too crazy. So yeah, that snowball's gonna be getting 40 today. So like I said, the amounts that I'm putting in here are just kind of being dispersed some kind of way whenever I decide it into my 2040, into my credit cards and things. So for the time being, I'm just going to use this one envelope just to kind of collect money, and then I'll decide what exactly I want to put towards some of my credit instead of just the minimum for now. But yeah, so we got $50, $70, $90. And that is the end of this binder. Alrighty guys, so this is my black binder, and she holds all of my sinking funds and savings. Love this one. Okay, so we've got Bri spending. She's going to be getting $20 today. Boom. So that puts me at 120. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Haven't decided what I want to buy with this just yet. Just kind of rolled over a little bit from last year as well. So we'll just keep building it up. Bri savings is going to be getting $20. So we've got 20. And I should have a total of 172. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 171, 172. Oops, dog ear. There we go. Alrighty, so luxury, trying to save it for our bag or whatever. So we've got $20 we're adding into here, and that's going to bring me to 140. So we got 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135, 140. Awesome. Okay, camera. So I'm trying to save it for camera. Someone actually commented in my last video and was like, I should like get my camera before my trip, which is in June. That way I can vlog, you know, when I'm in Jamaica. And I thought that was like the coolest idea. I don't know why I didn't really think of that like as a plan, because I usually use my phone, but the whole point of me getting a camera is so I can use a camera instead of my phone. So why, you know, rack up storage on my phone when I could just use a camera, like what it's intended for. So yeah. I'm probably gonna do that. I'm gonna try and stuff more into this one. That way I can get a camera by like May and like practice it and everything, so it'll be good to go for June. But yeah, guys, so camera's gonna be getting 20 today because that's all I had. But I'm gonna try my best to stuff more later. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, $100, which is actually not bad. The camera that I really want is around like 500, and then whatever like accessories I need to go with it. But it's just like a vlog camera. I don't need anything too fancy yet. Car maintenance is gonna be $10 today. I just got an oil change, but that was again from like just some money I had from Groupon that I bought a while back, so I didn't actually have to tap into this one. But for my next oil change, I am, and I already pretty much have it, $75. Well, at least I hope it'll be that much and not like 100. But yeah, so we added, oops, what did I just add to this? Oopsies, I think I just added a 20. Supposed to add a 10. Okay, let's see. So we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. Okay, good. Whew, glad I caught that one. That would have made me so upset by the end of this when I was going to be like missing money over here. I would have figured it out though. Alrighty, so gifts is going to be getting $20. So I don't really have too many birthdays right now that I haven't already gotten gifts for, that is. But my birthday is going to be the next birthday after February. And so, or JK, March and then May for me. So we'll see. But yeah, okay, cool. So we got 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So $55 in here, and this is probably going to be for my March birthday, which is my sister. So we'll see what she wants, and I will get her a nice present. And then my birthday is in May, so yeah. So medical, we've got $10 we're adding. Haven't really had to tap into this one either, thank God. So I might actually use this to get like vitamins and stuff, because I do want to get into vitamins again. Haven't decided which ones yet, but I've only got 55 in here, so 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, $55. And low-key, those vitamins probably will cost me the whole entire envelope. The vitamins are expensive, like melatonin as well. So expensive. Travel is going to be getting 50. So like I said, Jamaica is coming very soon. So excited. So I'm going to be adding another 50 in here, which should secure the rest of my trip payments. I'm just holding on to the cash for now. And until I actually decide to make a payment, which is probably going to be whenever the rest of the group starts making payments, because I think only 3 people have paid so far, and I'm like, we're getting close, but no worries, I'm just gonna hold on to it just in case. But I have it, so I'm glad that I did it. So we've got $50 added, got $565 here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 500, 520, 530, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Perfect. Literally so proud though that I was able to save this, and like whatever's left over after I make my payment, because it's really not that much left for me. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and save up for another trip, because why not? So yeah, emergency is gonna be getting $30. This binder is getting really thick, like really thick. So I'm gonna have to start going in and exchanging bills soon, I bet, which is kind of cool. You know, I haven't actually had to do that yet because I've been so honestly inconsistent with like the actual like videos and stuffing and stuff. Great with savings, but the actual stuffing part, yeah, no bueno. But I'm getting back into it. So I'm adding $30 this time, so it puts me at $270. So we got 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 255, 260, 265, 270. Perfect. That low-key took me a lot of tries to try and count, I'm not gonna lie. Like I said though, I do not like counting 50s to 20s. It's so confusing. So confusing, but it is what it is. Student loans, I'm gonna be adding $22. Haven't quite decided yet what I want to do with this, but it's just really thick with ones. But it is what it is. So we're adding 21, 22. And let's count. So I should have a total of 155. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135, 136, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 155. Awesome. So that is the end of my sinking fund binder. But that pretty much concludes the video. If you guys have any questions about how I do my budgets and how I set the amounts that I want to set for my sinking funds and bills, just ask me and I'll answer those. And you can ask on TikTok, and I'll even make like a little short 1-minute video pretty much just explaining the processes that I decided to go on and all that good stuff. But thanks for watching, guys. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for your support. Bye, guys.